Connecting your Hisense Android TV Remote via Bluetooth will give you wireless controls and also access to voice assistant. That's why in this remote pairing guide, I'll show you how to put your Hisense Android TV Remote into pairing mode and connect it wirelessly to your TV. Currently, our Hisense TV Remote isn't paired to the TV, and that's why we have to point it towards our TV to control it, and the mic also doesn't work. So, to pair your remote, we'll need to go to Settings. From there, go down to Remotes and Accessories, then Add Accessory. Now, you need to put your remote into pairing mode even though it pops up on the list. If your Hisense TV Remote looks like this, then you'll have to hold down the Settings or the menu button until you see a purple light blinking, which may turn solid red. Then press OK on the remote from the list, and now it's paired. And in case you want to pair a Hisense TV remote that looks like this, maybe it's a newer remote that you got, for these types of remotes you'll need to hold down the back and the home button together until you see the red light blinking. And now it popped up on the list. Now we'll just press OK. Wait for it to get connected, and voila. Now you won't need to point your remote at your TV to control it, and now you also have access to Google Assistant. If this helped, you can leave a like, subscribe to follow us, and I'll see you in the next one.